Hello, welcome to Cloud Medici, and today I'll be discussing about the career level or bands in various service-based organizations. So we have considered nine topmost US and Indian MNC here. So TCS, Cognizant, Accenture, Infosys, Wipro, Capgemini, IBM, Tech Mahindra, and Mindtree. There are a few others, and it looks almost similar for all other companies as well. So we'll start with the people who are freshers, who are newly joined to the industrial companies, or people are having experience between 0 to 1 year, maybe 6 months or 9 months. So in that case, normally TCS offer associate system engineer training. For the same, CTS offer programming analyst training. Accenture offered associate system engineer new joinees are new, and then Infosys directly they offered system engineer, and we offer project engineer. Capgemini, if the candidate belongs from BCA, BSc, or BCom, or any other non-engineering background, then it will be associate, and if it is a BTech or MCA, then it would be directly analyst. For IBM, it is assistant system engineer. Tech Mahindra, it is associate software engineer. Point to be noted, for Accenture and Tech Mahindra, the roles are almost similar to across level, and for Mindtree it is programming analyst. So this is about the very first year, and for the very first year, ideally, after one year completion, the candidate will be automatically promoted to the next level, and these promotion are not based on the performance and all. It is a by default promotion for most of the employees. So for 1 to 2, the next level is assistant system engineer. The trainee tag will be removed for TCS. CTS, it will be programming analyst, which is a pretty much good role in Cognizant. And then in Accenture it is associate system software engineer. Infosys is a senior software engineer. So point to be noted, like Infosys is giving one step ahead, and the reason being, like if somebody wants to switch from Infosys to Accenture or Cognizant or any of the organization, then like if he or she is a senior software engineer, he needs to join as a software engineer in Accenture. So because in 2 years, Infosys candidate become a senior software engineer. So in Wipro, it is a senior project engineer. In Capgemini, it is again senior associate, and then its IBM is like system engineer or senior system engineer. Tech Mahindra, this doesn't apply it, and for Mindtree it doesn't apply it. So now coming to the years of experience, for 2 to 4 years, 2 to 4 years, TCS will possibly give uh, system engineer. Then CTS, it doesn't apply. Accenture is software engineer, and Infosys and Wipro, it doesn't apply. Capgemini is associate consultant, so which looks pretty much mid senior role in Capgemini. IBM, it will be same, either system engineer or senior system engineer. Tech Mahindra, it is software engineer, and Mindtree, it is senior software engineer. Now coming back to the 4 plus role, 4 plus years of experience. So TCS can give ITA. Now ITA is like the minimum years of experience required, 4, but normally it will take 5, 6, or more than 6 years, 7 years experience to become ITA. So ITA analyst is one of the like key role in TCS. And then in CTS also it is associate role. So CTS is having more than 50% workforce in associate level. So this is kind of a mid senior role in Cognizant. Then in Accenture it is senior software engineer, which is I would say it's a last role in terms of technology, because after that it become TL and architect and associate manager, other track begins. So this is for the last technical role. And then Infosys is analyst. Wipro, it doesn't apply. And then uh, Capgemini is consultant. IBM is advisory system engineer. Tech Mahindra, senior software engineer. And for Mindtree, it is module lead. So module lead is nothing but a project lead or a small kind of program or project lead kind of role. And then for 7 plus, TCS may offer you assistance, like as AST. So this is assistant consultant role. This is for 7 years, but ideally the people who are there for the long time in TCS, for them 9.9 plus experience will require to become AST. And then it is kind of between TL and managerial role in TCS. And for Cognizant, it is a senior associate, which is purely a TL role, and Accenture is a TL, Infosys is a TL. Uh, for Wipro is either TL or project lead. Capgemini is senior consultant, and then IBM is a senior system advisory. Tech Mahindra is TL, Mindtree is TL. Now the next would be 10 plus years experience, so it may be 10 plus. And one more point is it's based on the performance. So because if you can see, like people are there working in TCS for more than 12 years in AST role. So it's based on performance and based on years of experience. So 10 plus, you may get consultant role, which is nothing but the managerial role in TCS. And then Cognizant, it is directly managed. In Accenture, they have one more role between TL and AM. It is like manager, it is the associate manager role. So associate manager normally handle one project, where manager handle more than one project in Accenture. So Infosys is a project manager, Wipro is a project manager, Capgemini manager, uh, IBM it's a delivery manager, Tech Mahindra it's called manager, and Mindtree also called is a manager. Now coming back to the next option, so this is purely performance based. After associate consultant, 13 14 or more than 14 years experience, guy can get consultant role, which is nothing but the senior manager role in TCS. Same for CTS, it's a SM senior manager role. But in Accenture, next level would be manager. Manager normally holds more than one project. Infosys is a senior project manager. For Wipro, it's a program manager who is having more than one project under his team. And for Capgemini, it's a senior manager. And then for the Tech Mahindra, is a program manager. And for the Mindtree also, it is a program manager. So this is all about the years of experience, and it is not the hard and fast that you will get this offer. So if you are staying long for the company, perhaps it is possible that you will get less designation, because uh, to become eligible for a promotion, at least you need to stay 18 months to 24 months, or even for 36 months also for few cases, for few organizations. And then it's about the availability and your performance. But those who are switching, they perhaps get some higher role. So that's about it. If you have some query, please comment us. Thank you.